Have you entered any wrong data while generating an e-way bill? Don't worry, you can cancel the e-way bill. In this video, I will show you how to cancel, update or reject an e-way bill. Hello everyone, I am AJ from ClearTax, where we handle more than 10 million plus e-way bills per year. To help individuals and businesses like you, we create various videos on taxes, savings and finance. So to keep yourself updated, please subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon. This video has been divided into 5 sections where I will show you in detail how to update vehicle number or transport ID in an e-way bill, cancellation of e-way bill, rejection of e-way bill or extending an e-way bill. Also, at the end of the video, I will show you how to do all these activities at ease using ClearTax e-way bill solution. So do watch the video till the end. Now let me show you the step-by-step process on how you can go about this. One can do 3 types of updates in an e-way bill. Number 1. Update vehicle number. Number 2. Update transport ID. Number 3. Extend validity. We'll see one by one. Vehicle number is an optional field when generating the Part A of e-way bill, but e-way bill without a vehicle number is not valid for movement of goods. The e-way bill portal provides an option of updating e-way bill number on the document at a later point. This option can be used in the following cases. Number 1. When vehicle number was not entered on generation of the e-way bill. Or number 2. The goods are shifted to another vehicle or conveyance during transit due to breakdown or transshipment. This option can be used many times for an e-way bill within its validity period. Note that no other details of e-way bills can be edited. Also, bulk update of vehicle number option is available on the e-way bill portal, where an Excel template can be filled up and uploaded on the portal for updating vehicle details for multiple e-way bills at a single shot. Now let's see step-by-step process to update vehicle number. Step 1. Log into the e-way bill portal and select Update Vehicle Number sub-option under the e-way bill option appearing on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Note, if the consolidated e-way bill needs an update of transport or vehicle details, select Regenerate under Consolidated e-way bill appearing on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Step 2. Against Show e-way bill by option, select either e-way bill number or generated date. Enter the e-way bill number or date and click on Go. List of filtered e-way bills will appear according to your choice. Select the relevant e-way bill for which you want to update the vehicle number. Step 3. Enter the details on this page, such as vehicle number, from place. Select the reason for the change from the drop-down of transshipment, vehicle breakdown or not updated earlier, and finally enter the remarks if any. Click on the Submit button. Note, instead of vehicle number, enter transport document number if the mode of transportation is rail, air or ship. Now the e-way bill gets updated with new details instantly. Errors if any will be displayed. Even consolidated e-way bills can be updated for the vehicle details. Now let's see how to update transport ID on e-way bills. Originally assigned transporter or seller who generated e-way bills can change or reassign the transporter ID, thereby replacing existing transporter with a new transporter. If the originally assigned transporter assigns another transporter by changing the transporter ID, then the seller cannot make any changes. Further, only Part B details can be edited. Here is step-by-step process of reassignment of another transporter. Step 1. Select Update e-way bill transporter sub-option under the e-way bill option appearing on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Note, you may enter transporter GSTIN or transporter enrollment ID. Step 2. Enter the new or changed transporter ID. Now the name of transporter appears for your check and then click on Submit. The updated e-way bill appears on the screen. Click on Print to print the e-way bill. Note that the e-way bill number does not change by the change in transport details. Now let's see how to extend the validity period of e-way bills. The validity period of e-way bills can be extended by the generator of e-way bills either 4 hours before expiry or within 4 hours after expiry of e-way bill. Here is the step-by-step process. Step 1. Log into e-way bill portal and select Extend Validity option under the e-way bill option on dashboard. Step 2. Enter the number of e-way bill that you want an extension. Step 3. The e-way bill form appears. Then click on Yes against question. Do you wish to get an extension for this e-way bill at the bottom of the screen? Enter the reason for extension as well. You may re-enter the distance, place of dispatch and place of delivery. Please note that once validity is extended, the new e-way bill number gets allotted in place of the old one. The user cannot change the details of Part A. He will get the extended validity for the remaining distance to be travelled. So folks, is this process clear to you? If yes, please write clear in the comment section below. If not, please raise your concern so that we will try to clarify it for you. Now we will see how to cancel e-way bills. The generator of e-way bill can cancel the e-way bill if goods were never transported or not transported as per the details furnished in the e-way bill. One has to note the below points before cancelling the e-way bill. E-way bills can be cancelled by the generator of such e-way bills only. The time limit to cancel is within 24 hours of generating the e-way bill. Once e-way bill is cancelled, it is illegal to use such e-way bill. If the e-way bill is verified by any empowered officer, it cannot be cancelled. Here is the step-by-step process to cancel an e-way bill. Step 1. Go to e-way bill portal and click on e-way bill or consolidated e-way bill and select cancel from the drop-down. Step 2. Enter the 12-digit number of e-way bill that you want to cancel and then click on go. The selected e-way bill appears and you have to give a suitable reason for cancellation. For example, the goods are not being moved because incorrect entry in the e-way bill. Now we will see how to reject an e-way bill on GST portal. A taxpayer can use this option to reject the e-way bill generated by other parties such as recipient or suppliers on the farmer's GSTN. For example, where the consignment did not reach the destination at all as it was cancelled on the way, the recipient may reject the e-way bill. Prerequisites required for rejecting the e-way bill. Number 1. Date of generation of e-way bill. Number 2. e-way bill number that you want to reject. For rejecting an e-way bill, you have to log into e-way bill portal and then click on reject appearing on the left hand side of the dashboard. This screen will appear. Select the date on which e-way bill was generated and click on submit to get list of e-way bills that were generated on the selected date. Tick mark against the concerned e-way bill you want to reject on the right hand side. You will get a message on the screen once the e-way bill is successfully rejected. It is to be noted that as a second party, one can communicate the acceptance or rejection of such consignment specified in the e-way bill. If the acceptance or rejection is not communicated within 72 hours from the time of generation of e-way bill, it is deemed that he has accepted the details. So here the point is the opposite party can reject the e-way bill within 72 hours from the time of generation of e-way bill. So folks, till now you have seen how to cancel, update or reject an e-way bill on the GST portal. You can generate an e-way bill and also perform all these activities using the ClearTax e-way bill solution. ClearTax e-way bill solution provides a centralized dashboard for logistics or tax teams, transporters and vendors. Generating e-way bill with ClearTax will be fast and error-free. ClearTax provides various value additions when compared to other ASP or GSPs. It comes with an analytical feature where you can find out any fraud transaction or an outliner transaction. You will also have an option to convert normal e-way bill into multi-vehicle e-way bill. You can enjoy the following features using ClearTax e-way bill solution. You can generate e-way bills for multiple PANs and their GSTNs through a single account. You can get branch level access with increased security and appropriate access control. The two-way integration allows you to generate, cancel, reject or extend an e-way bill directly from the ERP. You can auto-populate the details using GSTIN at the time of generation of e-way bill. You will get system generated alerts to proactively take action on e-way bills. You can download e-way bills for multi-months at a time which were generated in the past. You can automate the schedule of e-way bill generation in off time. You can also create custom template mapping to upload data in a comfortable format. Also, the MIS reports and dashboard will help you in getting comprehensive reports with easy to use filters. Click on the link provided in the description to know more about ClearTax e-way bill solution features. You can also get a demo of our solution and start creating e-way bills for free by clicking on the same link. So folks, that's it for the day. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any doubt about this topic, please mention them in the comment section below so that we can clear your doubt. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more informative videos and don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that we'll let you know whenever there is an update. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.